Today, I'll walk you through how to insert a table and merge cells in Google Docs, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a well-structured table and merge cells so you can present your information clearly and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google Docs document. If you don't have one ready, you can create a new document by going to Docs.google.com and clicking on the blank document option. Now to insert a table, go to the menu at the top of your screen, click on Insert, and then hover over Table. You will see a grid appear. This grid represents the size of the table you want to create. For example, if you want a table with 3 columns and 2 rows, hover over 3 squares across and 2 squares down and then click to insert the table. This is similar to laying out a blueprint before building a house. It gives you a foundation to work from. Once your table is in place, you might want to merge some cells to create a more cohesive look. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps are still the same. To merge cells, first highlight the cells you want to combine. Click and drag your mouse over the desired cells to select them. Once you've highlighted the cells, look for the table option in the top menu again. Click on it and then select Merge Cells. This action is akin to combining ingredients in a recipe. It creates a unified element that enhances your overall dish. After merging, you can adjust the text alignment, font, and color to suit your needs. This customization is crucial for making your table visually appealing and easy to read. Now let's recap. You learned how to insert a table by navigating to the Insert menu and selecting Table. Then you highlighted the cells you wanted to merge and used the Table menu again to combine them. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to create organized tables and merge cells in Google Docs with ease. This skill is incredibly useful for creating reports, presentations, or any document that requires structured data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.